The Honda Odyssey has one of the best rides of any minivan on the market, and that ride capability is maintained in each VMI Honda Northstar conversion. In addition to a comfortable ride, these mobility vehicles offer pleasing aesthetics with top-rated style, fit, and finish. Each Honda Odyssey Northstar conversion comes with VMI's patented Northstar in-floor ramp system. The ramp stows under the floor, creating an obstruction-free doorway, more usable space inside the vehicle, and greater safety in the event of a collision. All Northstar conversions come with Power Kneel, which creates an ultra-low ramp angle for easy access, as well as the Sure Deploy backup system, which allows for consistently reliable ramp deployment. To accommodate wheelchairs of almost any size, the Northstar ramp has an 800-pound weight capacity and wider usable area than other Honda conversions on the market. With additional features such as the most headroom and door height of any other Honda conversion van, VMI's Honda Odyssey Northstar is the perfect blend of style and function. The Honda Odyssey conversion is available with either the Northstar slide-out or Summit fold-out ramp systems to meet the needs of almost any wheelchair user. For more information about the Honda Northstar conversion, contact a VMI customer advocate.